gonna be making some Mentos Super Explosion.
Woo-hoo.
And I also have the coolest mom with me. So we're gonna put the Mentos in there.
Ooh.
And this is my side and this is my mom's side.
All right, we got it in order.
Guys, ready for the explosion? Ready, set, go.
All right, Aubrey. Go as fast as you can. You ready?
Yes.
Fast as you can.
Okay.
Remember, you do those three. I do these three. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Ready, set, go.
Go, 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 go! I got it! I got it!
Oh! Come on, Aubrey. Woo! Yeah! I got you. I got you. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh! I'm sorry!
Go ahead, go ahead. Do that one, do that one, do that one. Wait, do this one, do this one. Use this one. There you go. There you go.
Wow! That's cool.
Oh
There's one
man.
more in here.
I'm all sticky now. This one's still going.
I'm wet.
Maybe we shouldn't have put on white.
That's what I call fun. Thanks for watching. If you like it,